What is urban planning? Urban planning is the process of developing and designing urban or city areas to meet the healthy existential needs of large communities within its periphery. The practice draws from a number of disciplines: architecture, design, engineering, economics, sociology, public health, finance, and many more. It typically caters to central developed areas, semi-developed areas, and outer undeveloped areas of small to large to metropolitan cities. Urban planning touches on numerous city life elements: land, parks, gardens, buildings, roads, communal spaces, transportation, economic development, infrastructure, and the environment. We at Laureate Design School leave no stone unturned to envelop all required skill to make you smart city or urban planner. Urban planning is more effective when we approach it with a strategic lens. That means setting clear goals, measuring progress, and strategically defining and executing projects. To do this, strategy software like ClearPoint comes in play. Out of all, land use planning largely concerns legislation and policy, adopting planning instruments like governmental statutes, regulations, rules, codes, and policies to influence land use. On a broad level, these planning instruments deal with the type, location, and amount of land needed to carry out different functions of the city. They also serve to zone or reserve land for certain purposes, such as residential, for buildings like apartment homes, single-family residences, and condominiums. Commercial, for buildings like retail shops and office buildings. Industrial, for structures like manufacturing plants and warehouses. Municipal, for structures like police stations and courthouses. Consulting with the community and relevant stakeholders is an important part of land use planning to ensure transparency, and incorporating a wide range of interests into the overall plan. This program is meant to equip students with the necessary skills for development and management in urban planning. Rapid urbanization and the resultant transformation of urban areas pose great challenges to the existing approaches to design of public space in cities. This also creates an opportunity to imagine the future scenarios of cities with a strong focus on design with functionality, livability, and sustainability. This course is predominantly concerned with the design of new neighborhoods, urban regeneration, and design of public places. As there is a growing interest in improving quality of our cities, there is an urgent need for professionals who can imagine and improve urban life through better design of the physical environment. Those who want to shape the physical form of urban areas and public places should take up such courses. On completion, students can expect to find opportunities as urban planners, community developers, building managers, sustainability consultants, government officers, landscape architects and surveyors, transport planners, environmental managers, estate agents, natural resource managers, and historical preservation officers, etc. Course highlights: public spaces, cultural studies, budget planning, legal issues, environmental studies, infrastructure, design and architecture, urban sustainability, metropolitan planning, urban planning, development and disaster management, land conservation, infrastructure planning, urban development and management.